Nick Merrill here again to talk more about Verisurf 2021. The Verisurf Software Development Kit, or SDK, provides a flexible programming environment that can be used to create customized dimensional metrology applications and support manufacturing automation. With the Verisurf SDK, users can create custom applications that simplify the performance of complex or multi-step dimensional metrology processes or create entirely new functionality. You can even post-process Verisurf results in virtually any way imaginable. New Verisurf 2021 has added enhancements to the SDK communication and integration with other collaborative devices such as robotics, databases, and machine tools. It has never been easier to create and integrate measurement inspection resources with other digital systems across the manufacturing enterprise. Check out all of the new Verisurf 2021 features and see the difference. If you like our videos, make sure to hit subscribe and we'll let you know when we post new videos. Thank you.